Here are 5 effective reasons why someone should prefer a career as a data analyst with Power BI plus SQL plus Excel as the best career opportunity. 1. High demand across industries. Data is the new oil, and companies across all domains, from healthcare to finance to retail, need data analysts to make sense of their data. 2. Low entry barrier with high growth potential. Unlike coding-heavy roles, becoming a data analyst does not require a computer science degree. With just Power BI, SQL, and Excel, you can start your career faster. 3. Strong tool combination for real-world projects. These 3 tools complement each other perfectly. SQL helps you extract and manipulate large data sets. Excel is great for quick data analysis, dashboards, and reporting. Power BI enables interactive, professional data visualizations. Together, they equip you to handle end-to-end data tasks in any organization. 4. Excellent salary packages. The average salary for data analysts with Power BI plus SQL plus Excel expertise is consistently competitive. Even entry-level professionals can expect attractive pay scales, with salaries increasing rapidly based on performance and specialization.